What's up, guys, and thanks for tuning in to another episode of Lunkers with Landon. Today we'll be fishing the last tournament of the regular season for the Future Pro Tour at Lake Oroville.
There's one. Crankbait. There's one. He ate right there. That's a nice fish.
And you notice how you thump, 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 and you just leaned into it. There's your fish. There's your fish.
I just watched him eat it. That's a nice fish too. There we go. Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Oh yes, that's gonna go right there.
Boom, baby.
Now this will be the last tournament of the regular season for the 2020 season, and then in 2021 we'll be fishing the Classic, or I might be fishing the Classic if I can make it to the top 10 in my region, which I'm sitting in 8th right now. And then if I can do good enough in this tournament in my region, I'll be able to get top 10 and fish in it. So that's just my hope for this tournament. I'll just get a good 5 fish limit and just place well enough so I can be able to go to the Classic and then fish for a bigger cash prize than just the normal tournaments. If you guys enjoy, be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and feel free to comment. With that being said, I'll see you guys out in the water.
Me? Yep.
A lot of people want up and down. They're almost like a spoon. So they up and then swoop down. Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Reels,
Come on. Okay. That's fish number 1. There's one. You hit it when it was still. Why am I getting all the little ones now? This is the smallest one that I would have had the other day. There's one. Did he miss it? No, he's still there. He's still there. He must have hit it twice or something.
I like how he gets close to you at the hospital, like it's gonna make fighting the fish better.
That's a keeper. That is a keeper for sure. Oh no, that was probably bad. Clearly not. Keeper number 1. 14. There we go.
I guess it helps when you don't have the birds going. You think it's rising.
Woo! Keeper number 1. He recommended. You gonna hit that bank any more times with that? Oh, is it a whopper plopper now?
That's the first time I've hit that thing. What are you talking about?
There's a what? Oh yeah. No, you've hit the bank a couple times with that crankbait. There's one. He ate right there. That's a nice fish. That's a really nice fish. He hit it when I was reeling it in. You might not keep.
Probably not.
He hit it when I was reeling it in. Oh, oh he's bleeding good. Hey, that Comanche, you caught a bunch on a brush hog that one day.
I'd rather be out on the main body with a 3-4 pounder on a jig. But that's okay, this has been pretty fish back here.
There were some really nice fish.
They left in the rain.
Or they left once they got hooked in the face. There we go. He just came off. I don't know how they're coming off all of a sudden today. I lost one fish on Wednesday. There we go. This feels heavier. Oh, it's just because he's hooked weird. $12. Then I'll get a dead fish penalty. There's a nice fish, nice fish. Yep. Unless he's hooked weird like the other ones. No? Oh yeah, he's just hooked weird. Come on, dude.
I don't think he's catching him, he's just snagging him.
Yeah?
Yeah, you were around.
You want the net? No?
It's not even bending his rod hardly.
I know.
I know, it's a huge stiff rod, man.
Oh, he wouldn't. Would he? He's fat, I don't know. Yep. Look at, there's 2 fish right there in that little depression. They look like nicer marks too. You got a spoon or anything? There we go. He's not that big. That's a smallmouth. Hey.
He's got a smallie.
Congratulations.
You know, like 70% of people that die off a boat have their fly open, right?
Yep.
And there's a fish for Frank. Shaky head? Nice. Oh, you're gonna bow flip that donkey?
No, it's a Mondo. It's a Mondo.
It's another smallmouth.
Probably the same one.
Probably. Why?
Set that hook.
He hit it hard. See that? What? Are they even there?
It's alright.
See? Will you stay on? Oh, yes! He's staying on.
Drag is too loose there.
I don't know if this is a half bad fish, is the thing. I have to net him. Yeah. No. 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 He's not gonna keep. No. Oh. I don't know how big he is.
I'm obviously fishing around the
Thank you for jumping off. Thank you.
Beautifully done. Beautifully done. You notice how you thump, 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 and you just leaned into it. There's your fish.
There's your fish.
That's why you fish fresh water.
Could you hand me the net? Like, can you just set it down on my left side? Because I like to. Man, do you see that? Just don't come off. Just don't come off.
That was nice.
Oh, there we go. Almost 14.
Common library.
Fishy friend.
I think fish weighs 3.5 pounds.
Yeah, something would be wrong there. I just watched him eat it. That's a nice fish too. That's a really nice fish actually. I just watched him come up and eat it. Don't spit it, don't spit it, don't spit it, don't spit it. I don't know if he'll be, it's a keeper, but
He's in. He's in.
Ooh, I watched him come up and eat it. That was pretty sick. He's 14. Ooh. He's heavy. Dude, look at that. He's been eating good. I want to switch up a drop shot bait real quick. I think they've seen a lot of shad stuff. All I felt was him spinning it out. See, there's some weight.
So,
What?
you have a tiny hook on with a big worm?
So just let him eat it?
Well,
or,
no.
or switch baits?
Can they get it in there?
Or
because if you fill the whole hook up, there's nowhere for the hook to go. It's got to fight through that worm. You know what I mean? A lot of times I've switched to a little bit bigger hook when I put that big worm on.
He's still there. Did you see that?
Okay.
They're just stacked here.
I don't know if they're very big.
Well, the ones I'm reeling into seem better.
Yeah, that first one. But you got a big, like you said, you got a bigger.
That's a smallmouth.
Yeah.
Oh, he's beat up too.
Yeah.
Maybe they are looking for a shad. Who knows? Oh, never mind. I don't know what's going on.
Point, Texas. What happened the last one I gave you?
The deal?
Yeah.
I never tied on a Ned rig. I think he might be a little better. No, he's not better. Yep. He choked it though. No, he won't keep. He won't keep. At least I don't think. I still had that bait in my hand.
Yeah, it's gone. I'm probably gonna comment on why I stopped at the spot where there's no fish on the fish finder in a minute.
Oh, I don't care. How do you get those out? Or did you snap off?
Trade secret.
Lost weight.
Sometimes I do weightless, but
I don't get how you're getting that thing down, Dad, if it's a last tech.
I do slow sand.
Well, those float.
Hit it on the fall.
Those float.
Oh, look. See?
No, they float.
that's pretty close, thank you.
It's a slow sand. It's an ROS0. You've never heard that one?
Watch him eat it again.
Eating it's
Shoop.
Oh.
Look at number 4. We're not gonna talk about that one. Here we go.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it looks like a smallmouth. Oh, that's not. Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
It's 13. Cool. Here we go. 6. Yeah.
7.5.
Maybe.
7.
Now just reel. Hold your rod right where you're. Just reel. And get close. Just swing up into the boat. Nothing. Don't
Just like
pause.
that?
Just reel.
Okay. Nicer fish, nicer fish. At least it feels like it. Oh yeah. Flip them. I don't know if I want to flip them.
Oh yes, that's gonna cool right there.
Boom, baby.
That's a good cool.
Boom. We gotta get the cold meat. Oh no, we can just pick the smallest one, huh? That's probably a 2-pounder. God. There's my first coal ever.
That was nice. That's a good coal right there.
It is. That's a maybe a pound coal.
Yeah.
Maybe more.
Easily hop something right. That main one right by the bridge.
Oh.
We at least have to.
Dropped it.
We at least have to work it.
That one.
That one won't call anything.
No.
Smallmouth.
Smallmouth.
I already caught a smallmouth on a bridge.
Oh gosh, dang it. He even pulled out drag and everything. That's nice. See that, Dad?
Oh yeah.
That's real nice. I was watching it, yeah.
You give it a crack. I mean, at least a point or two. And
Landon caught one over
By the trees.
to the right of that outhouse.
Oh, he just freaking hammered it. Yeah, look at that again. He was. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, he's. I'll have to cross him.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap today's video. I ended up getting 8th place with 6.94 pounds, so just under 7 pounds. That was actually my first 5 fish limit. Not a very big limit. I've actually had bigger limits of 4 fish than those 5 fish, but that's just how it is on those lakes with spots sometimes. You can have 5 fish but not a huge back. But I ended up doing well enough in my region to get 6th place overall for Angler of the Year. So I am going to be fishing the Classic in March out on the Delta for this 2020 season. I'm glad that I had a great season. It's not over yet, but just for the regular season, I'm glad that I had a really good season. Was able to make top 10 in my first ever tournament season, and I'm looking forward to another good season next year too. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and feel free to comment. With that being said, don't forget to live that longer life, and I'll see you all in the next video.